Okay, it looks like the printing process has come to a completion, so it's done, and the data has actually been rendered now to form, right? So it was kind of an interesting story watching the buildup of these two objects here. Is kind of like a UFO, right? That shape of a gem, right? And then the various trimmings of our decoration of our contest entry. So again, we're doing the Santa app, and it's a notion that's manifested here in McHenry on Richmond Road with Aldi and Michaels and Kohl's. So it teaches us that the architects of transportation do use ancient scribe knowledge, for us to enjoy our shopping experience. So you see, it's in there. We didn't stage nothing there. Sam's going to come in soon. We'll tell him. And now what we've done is we've glued together this piece where Santa is. All right, and so now we're going to be able to stand Santa upright, just like we've done for this other type of bowl, right? And what's interesting is this notion of genders, right? So initially the cow gave birth, and now here's a variance of 3D printed translation of the Santa app. What's also interesting is the deer, how it plays in, and its initial lineup, where we took the sprout from the cow, the calf, I guess, and created our Santa and a Black Pete, or the shadow of Santa, that notion. And then we've taken this stream and manifested it as Santa's list. Okay, so the list can get passed back and forth. And in many ways, that sash is like that on, let's say, Miss Congeniality, right? Or in these various contests, right? So, it's interesting to see just how words and branding get passed along and communicated. And so that's our show, right? Everything's rendered out. Let's take this off because this is a different language, but it still pertains to the auric representation. What you reading there, boss?
A Year of Mercy.
All right, it's always some insight there. So, definitely the veterans got a good start on a new type of modeling system, and they too could enter contests such as the Anet 3D printing competition. All right, let's give this a shot. Let's see if we can rise Santa up if the glue's held. Little sticky. Come on. Come on, Santa. Hey, do me a favor. Hold this, would you? Hold this. Just leave it, hold still. Okay, hold on, folks. We're going to try to raise Santa up. See what we can do. Oh, it's a good thing we caught this early. All right, so, whoop, it fell. So what we're demonstrating is the balance point here. A moment ago, I had Santa's head turned in such a way to where the piece would not stand upright, it would not balance. That's because the head was too far turned that way. So now if we cock it this way, right, we'll be able to create a balance point. So we caught that before the glue hardened. All right, so let's see if we can make this stand and balance.